Okay, we made our bird kite and now we're going to make our bird feeder. So you're going to have a pine cone. If you'd like to make two, you're more than welcome to go and look for your own pine cone. First things first, you're going to take your yarn and you're going to tie it nice and secure around the top of your pine cone, like so. Okay, then you're going to take your stick, leave your bird seed in the plastic bag, and this is vegetable shortening, and you're going to basically butter your pine cone. Some of you may have bigger pine cones. I had very small pine cones. And you want to get it all in these nooks and crannies, however you like. And then you're going to take your pine cone, once it's all smothered in this, drop it into your Ziploc bag, zip your Ziploc bag, and shake it up, baby. Okay, and as I mentioned, there is enough for you to make more than one if you go out and look for your own pine cone, which makes it a fun activity. And then you can hang your pine cone in the tree for the birds or the squirrels, depending on, you know,